Protein is the building block of life, playing a crucial role in muscle repair, immune defense, and much more. But are you sure you're getting enough? If you've been feeling unusually tired, struggling to build muscle, or just not feeling your best, your diet might be missing this vital nutrient. Today, we'll explore how to recognize protein deficiency, the foods and diets that might put you at risk, the activities that could worsen symptoms or help alleviate them, and how to ensure you're meeting your protein needs, even with dietary restrictions. Let's dive into it. How to recognize symptoms of protein deficiency. Protein deficiency can sneak up on you. You might notice persistent fatigue despite adequate rest, muscle weakness that affects your daily activities, or slow recovery from workouts. Hair thinning, brittle nails, and dry skin are also common signs. In more severe cases, fluid retention, known as edema, can cause swelling in your legs, hands, or face. Children with protein deficiency might experience stunted growth and delayed development. Identifying these symptoms early is crucial for maintaining your health. Activities do's and don'ts. Certain activities can elevate your protein needs. Intense physical training, whether it's weightlifting, running, or competitive sports, increases muscle breakdown, demanding more protein for repair and growth. Physically demanding jobs, such as construction work or manual labor, also heighten protein requirements. On the flip side, engaging in regular strength training can help reduce muscle loss associated with protein deficiency. Incorporating yoga or Pilates can improve muscle tone and flexibility, supporting overall muscle health even when protein intake is suboptimal. Diets or foods that might cause symptoms. Low-protein diets, whether intentional for weight loss or due to limited food availability, are a direct cause of protein deficiency. Vegan and vegetarian diets can also pose risks, if not carefully planned to include sufficient plant-based protein sources. High-carb, low-protein diets, often seen in regions with limited access to diverse foods, can exacerbate protein deficiency. How to reduce symptoms with dietary restrictions. For those following vegan or vegetarian diets, incorporating a variety of protein-rich foods like lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts is essential. Protein supplements made from peas, rice, or hemp can fill any gaps. Individuals with dairy or soy allergies can turn to fish, poultry, or fortified grains. For those without dietary restrictions, simply adding eggs, dairy, lean meats, or legumes to meals can significantly improve protein intake. Food for thought. Did you know that protein makes up about 20% of the human body's weight? It's not just about muscles, enzymes, hormones, and even the hemoglobin in your blood rely on protein. Interestingly, the word protein comes from the Greek word proteos, meaning primary or of prime importance. It truly is the foundation of our health and well-being. Protein deficiency might be more common than you think, especially with restrictive diets or high activity levels. Recognizing the symptoms early and making dietary adjustments can protect your muscles, immune system, and overall health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay healthy.